Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. Today I'm excited because got a cupcake. This is from a company called Rubicon Bakery, and check that out. This is called a blackout chocolate. Chocolate. Ooh, I think I'm gonna hold off on this. I'm gonna eat this one later. Usually I would eat it first, but we're gonna wait. But first, how are you guys doing? You guys doing great? Huh? Let's lubricate the throat. Cause I'm hungry. All right, you guys. Ooh, let's start with the crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Crinkle fries. Okay, so what we're working with is some Beyond Meat patties, cheddar cheese, some lettuce. This is lettuce. I like them. I chopped them up so it's kind of like, I don't know. I just chopped it up. We got some vegan mayonnaise. We have some honey mustard, and then we also have some ranch. We have 3 sauces going on. All right, let's begin. Go ahead. You take a bite. How was it? Ooh. And ketchup. That is so good. It's been a while having Beyond Meat. Here, you need to come in closer. Look at that. Oh yeah. Out of all the meat alternatives that I've tried so far, the best one, hands down, is the Beyond Meat. In my opinion. It's so delicious, you guys. Man, inside of my mouth is scarred up from eating onion rings earlier today. That's my dog, y'all. He has this itch in his ear and he keeps scratching it, and then, but it also hurts him, and so he's howling while he's scratching himself. Nothing too serious. I was like, how am I going to tackle this one? We're going to do it from the side. I don't know if I mentioned this in previous video, but Costco now sell these burger Beyond Meat. I got a fruit fly flying all over here. Anyhow, it's much cheaper in Costco. So if you were to buy this, get it from Costco. What is it? It's a big pack. I forgot how many it was, but it's a lot way cheaper than buying it from regular stores. Regular store, you can probably spend like $7 for 2 patties. Oh, that is good. So you already know, I already stocked up just in case Costco stopped selling them. Because you know, if you know one thing about Costco, if a certain product that they push do not do good within, I think couple, let's say under a month, they're gonna pull that product out and in with the new product. So I bought a whole bunch because I have an extra freezer. Not extra. I keep saying extra. I have a freezer, a huge freezer in the garage. That's where I keep all my goodies. Shoe fly, don't bother me. I'm moving this. Who's gonna move the sauce? All right. Dessert. Go ahead, take a bite. It is so chocolatey thick. Ooh. There's also more filling. See that? More chocolate filling. Yes. This is also plant-based. Wow, that was so good. Debating if I should have another cupcake. Probably not a good idea because it's bedtime. Anyhow, thank you so much for having lunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys soon, okay? Tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Bang, bang. Olfato. You can go. Excuse me.